Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is still the evening of March the 3rd. I almost said 2024. 2025, coming to you from headquarters, better known as the TV room. I know this gentleman is a polarizing figure, but he does seem to get the job done. What am I talking about? Trump to host the first ever crypto summit this Friday. I received my invitation in the mail and I humbly declined and said, give my ticket to someone who deserves it more. Only kidding. It's going to be, I think, Friday evening. And hopefully, I'm definitely going to be covering it. Somehow it's got to be recorded, and I'm going to find out. But Trump said he wants the U.S. to be the world capital on cryptocurrency. Again, like them, don't like them, voted for them, or if you didn't vote for them, we're being lifted up. The crypto market is being lifted up, and I'm all for it. Anyhow, if you don't know about it, Google it. The first White House crypto summit, it took Trump to have the leadership to do it. Again, I'm repeating myself, like him, don't like him, whatever, it's going down this Friday. That's the video. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. And I'm ready for the bull run. Love y'all. Bye-bye.